All right, well, here we are back over here at Cousin Brian's working on the Jeep. He's got him one of these little lunchbox lockers for the rear end, and it has the Dana 20 in it, and or the AMC 20. I'm sorry, that comes stock in these. And I really wasn't going to do a video on this. I was just taking some pictures, and I was going to just kind of, put some little comments, but he kind of talked me into it. Because we ran into a couple of issues, nothing major, but just some stuff that really didn't come up in any of the literature that he had came across, and a couple of videos that he did some research on, kind of gave best case scenario. So real quick, we're going to show you guys a couple of things that we run into that you might run into. So first thing is, if you notice, everybody says, ooh, the AMC 20s. So this has the upgraded one-piece axle, so that helps a lot. So it also has an upgraded fuel tank, so it sits down quite a bit lower, and when this sits on the ground, you can't get to the top of the bolts for the diff cover. So we basically just undid the rear springs, loosened all the brake lines and stuff, lowered it down so that we can get in there and get it out. According to the little brochure over here, is that you basically just take the roll pin out, push the pin out, or the pin comes out, and then you can drop the spider gears, and then you swap these guys and do it all backwards, and then you're good to go. But here's what happens. So this is what we believe is a 410 gear. So it's aftermarket. We think it comes stock with a 373. So this ring gear is literally like an 1/8 or 16th or an 18th of an inch thicker than the stock gear, which would allow this pin to come out, but it will come out and hit the corner of your tooth right here. And it's already separated, so that's why it looks so deep. But trust me, we tried and there's no way to get it out. So we had to pull it out of the Jeep. We got to pull the ring gear off. Then we could take the pin out. So then we could take the pin out, pull the spider gears, put the replacement kit, put it all back together, and then this thing should work. So keep you guys posted if we run into anything else that's odd or not normal. I will let you guys know. All right, well, we got it back in. We got it all together back in. No more issues other, like I said, then we had to remove the ring gear to be able to get the center pin out. If you didn't have to do that, this job is relatively quick, a few hours. So we got it in. You can see right there, everything works the way it's supposed to. One thing that we did note, so whenever they did the axle upgrade, the studs that go through the back, they have this little, it's like a, there you guys, it's like a little flat toggle on the back. Well, they put them in this way and put the nuts on the back, and it was a real pain to get them loose because we had to take a pair of needle nose vice grips and go try to squeeze them in between here and hold it to break them loose. So we put them back the right way because that's what this hole right here is for. So you can put your socket in there, get on the head of that bolt and zip them out. But anyways, that's it. Brian just informed me he wants to do the front too. So he's like, I'm going to order it. It should be here in a week or so. And I want to get that done. So I got him lined out. He's got a little homework to do as far as what kind of stuff to take off until I get over and we get down into the nuts and bolts and get this thing all done up and ready for our little wheeling trip. So thanks for following along. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell for notification, and most importantly, be safe. We'll see you guys out there somewhere, the gas station or wherever. Say hi. See you guys.